Alright, so this is the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be unboxing it so we can get to see what is inside. And after using the watch for like a week, then I'll be making the full review. Alright, so let's do the unboxing. Alright, so here we are, well packaged compared to the last watch I unboxed. We have the charger, which is the magnetic 2-pin charger. Next we have the watch. Okay, I'll be getting back to it soon. I can't seem to find the manual. Let's see if it is inside here. Alright, so here it is. So this is the manual. Alright, so this is what the watch looks like. I will not be turning it on in this video because I have to charge the watch first. But you guys can ask me anything you're interested in knowing about the watch so that when I do the full review, I'll be answering your questions in the full review. But yeah, so far the watch looks nice. Subscribe to see the full review. Alright, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.